Okay. Yes, questions? Lito.
Good morning. Ma'am, when you say long trail and short trail, what's the difference?
Distance. Long trail is, so sa World Athletics definition, it's 80 kilometers. So sometimes it's higher, 10% higher and or 10% lower with about 5,000 to 6,000 meter elevation gain. Short trail is about half of that, so 40 to 42 kilometer, and the elevation gain would be 3,000 on the average, sometimes more, most of the times more. So basically dun sa trail running kasi it's measured, usually the difficulty is measured in terms of the elevation gain. So isa yun sa pinakang basic na metrics that is being looked at before it is accepted as a competition course.
Ma'am, yung under 20 natin, saka yung under 23, saan sila sasali?
Mountain Classic. So there are two categories in Mountain Classic. So Mountain Classic Junior is under 20. So that's 8 kilometers with 420 meter elevation gain. And then the other category is the Mountain Classic Senior. So yung Mountain Classic Senior, it's actually wala siyang walang age limit, but we are sending under 23 athletes as part of our goal for the athlete development.
Ma'am, yung elevation ba ng Baguio? Kasing sukat ditong sa Spain?
Sorry?
Yung elevation natin sa Baguio, yung pinagte-trainingan nila, kasing sukat din po nung pupuntahan nyo sa Spain?
I think in terms of yung elevation, yung altitude, dalawa po kasi yan, yung altitude sa elevation. Yung the nearest that we can achieve here in the Philippines na course is yung 2,500. But what we considered sa Baguio is the total cumulative elevation gain. So yung mga climbs dito per segment minsan nasa 1,500. Which is the same like from Tinongdan up to the peak of Mount Pugo, the climb, yung total stretch ng climb niyan 1.5. So it more or less simulate the technicalities, the elevation. Of course, hindi lang natin ma-simulate talaga is the altitude because naturally the mountains in Europe are much bigger and mas mataas ang altitude. So that's the one that we are unable to simulate, but technicality of the course, the terrain and the elevation gain, we were able to simulate.